I'm going to be showing you how to create HP account or sign up for HP ID in minutes in 2026. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is open your browser. I'm going to be using Safari, but it's completely up to you what you choose. Just go ahead on tap here. And after you do, you just need to go to account.hp.com and then you'll be shown this page right there. So after you're here, you just need to scroll till you find this option right here that says create account. Just go ahead on tap here, and once you do, you can start the registration. So just choose personal information, just enter your first name first and then your last name and enter your email address. It says that this will also be your username right there, and then you can just create a password and then tap on create right there. So after you do, all you need to do is verify your email. So as it says right here that you just need to enter the 6-digit verification code that it's been sent to your email, and then all you need to do is tap on verify right there, and then this confirms your account. And then all you need to do is complete your profile, which is optional. So what you can do with HP ID is register HP printers, download drivers and updates, track warranty, use HP Smart app and get support. So that's how easy it is to create HP account in minutes. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.